Hello and welcome to What's Next Weekly, Premier NX's weekly podcast for forward-thinking leaders who aren't just keeping up with change, they're defining what comes next.
I'm Sophia Grant.
And I'm Alex Reed. Each week, we break down the biggest challenges and opportunities in business growth, digital transformation, and AI, giving you the insights you need to lead with confidence.
In today's episode, we're tackling a critical shift for IT leaders, moving from the maintenance trap to a momentum engine. We'll explore how the most forward-looking CIOs are redefining their managed services partnerships in 2026, not just to keep systems running, but to reclaim innovation capacity and turn IT into a growth engine.
Let's get started. So, getting right into this deep dive, there's this really counterintuitive finding for IT leaders right now.
Oh, yeah.
If your team is failing to innovate, it's probably not because you lack budget, right? Or even vision. It's actually because of how you've designed their Tuesday afternoons.
Exactly. I mean, the real bottleneck here is bandwidth. It's just a fundamental design problem.
Yeah.
Like, if you look at the daily schedules of top engineers, they aren't actually building new capabilities. They're just, they're drowning in operational noise.
Right, just putting out fires.
Exactly. Handling escalations, patching systems, managing routine software updates. Week after week, they are totally trapped in this cycle of maintenance.
Think about your own team for a second. It feels a bit like hiring a world-class architect to design a state-of-the-art skyscraper, but then making them fix the building's plumbing every single day.
That is exactly what it is.
I mean, they have the capability to build something amazing,
Yeah.
but you've got them stuck under a sink holding a wrench.
And that wrench is what we call the maintenance trap. And escaping it means, completely redesigning who owns what. We're seeing this massive shift toward partner-led operations and internal-led innovation.
Okay, so a clear split.
Right. The managed services partner, or MSP, takes over the operational backbone. So the proactive monitoring, the tiered support, just ensuring everything runs flawlessly.
So it's not really just outsourcing then. It's more about intentional operational specialization to remove that friction.
Yeah.
So your internal talent can focus strictly on value creation.
Yes, they become forward-deployed strategists. They shift their energy toward deploying AI across workflows and collaborating directly with business units. But, to get there without breaking your current systems, you have to follow a disciplined progression.
You can't just flip a switch.
No, you can't just hand over the keys on day one. You start with the discovery phase. You map out the core platforms and diagnose what's actually breaking and driving those support tickets.
But wait, isn't the next step, like the governance phase, isn't that the real bottleneck here?
How so?
Well, if you're an internal team, you must be terrified to just relinquish control of your own systems to an outside partner. I mean, it sounds like a huge trust issue.
Oh, absolutely. Internal teams are naturally protective, but that's precisely why governance has to be established before optimization. I mean, trust is built through structure, not promises.
Right, that makes total sense.
By designing strict escalation protocols and defining access controls, you preserve control while shedding the operational burden. And once those guardrails are in place, you can safely move to continuous improvement.
I see.
That's where the partner optimizes the systems while your internal team co-develops those high-impact AI use cases.
Okay, but how do you measure if that new architecture is actually working? Because traditionally, IT loves to point at a dashboard of closed support tickets, to prove their value.
Yeah, well, ticket closures are a dead metric in this new model.
A dead metric.
Totally dead. The true measure of success is looking at how much of your internal time has been reallocated to strategic initiatives. Like, are your AI pilots launching faster?
Right.
Are automations going deeper into the business? Are strategic projects actually moving forward?
So you're measuring the speed of innovation, not the volume of maintenance.
Precisely. It's about turning operational stability into an actual momentum engine for growth.
Wow. So as you look at your own team's bandwidth this week, ask yourself, if you freed up just 20% of your engineers' time by offloading the plumbing, what skyline-altering project would they finally have the capacity to build?
It changes everything.
The answer to that might just dictate your company's market position 2 years from now. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on breaking the maintenance trap and building a strategic IT partnership. We hope this gives you a clearer path to reclaiming your team's focus and turning operational stability into a foundation for growth.
Absolutely. If today's episode resonated with you, please subscribe to What's Next Weekly on YouTube so you never miss a conversation. Leaving a like or comment helps us connect with more leaders like you.
We'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your biggest takeaway from today? Are you in phase one of strategic alignment, or are you ready to move to optimization? Share with us on LinkedIn by tagging PremierNX and using the hashtag What's Next Weekly.
For more insights and to catch up on past episodes, head over to our YouTube channel.
A quick note, this podcast episode is based on articles and industry insights and was produced with the support of Google AI services.
Join us next week on What's Next Weekly, Premier and X's weekly podcast, where we'll continue exploring how to turn today's operational challenges into tomorrow's growth opportunities.
Until then, keep building what's next.